Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a project that I think you guys are really going to love. Okay, quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. You're responsible for your own funds and all of that good stuff, right? So without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. Sure. Okay, so this is Voi. Now, Voi is a very interesting new concept when it comes to crypto and loyalty points. These guys have basically figured out that there are billions and billions of dollars out there in loyalty points from travel specifically, right, that just aren't being used. And people are just sat on this where they're just not spending these loyalty points. So what these guys are doing, they're essentially aggregating all those loyalty points. They're getting those into a crypto blockchain aspect, and then they're allowing you to, one, spend them across various different platforms and different traveling agencies, but also giving you the ability to stake those points and earn from that value. Now, if we scroll down here, we can see obviously an early access sign-up form. I am going to say, guys, definitely check this out in the description, okay? If you get this now, they're going to give you $100 for free when you do redeem your points, okay? So that's going to be potentially $100 off your next flight or wherever you are traveling, or potentially a hotel that you may want to stay in. So definitely go sign up now. Try and get early access for this. Join the waitlist because this is something that is brand new. They have a lot of partners, as you can see here. And now is just definitely the time to get involved. If we scroll down here, we can see their problems and solutions. So this is essentially their mission statement. We can see here that 50% of travel rewards are never redeemed. That's something that is crazy. So you probably in yourself, or 50% of you guys probably do have travel rewards that you're not using. And you could essentially use this platform to earn from them via staking them or get discounts by using them in different areas of the traveling industry. In the US alone, it says consumers are sitting on over 100 billion in unredeemed points, and these guys aim to solve that, okay? The solution here is Travelfi, right? So reimagining loyalty in the Web3 era, using Web3 technologies and blockchain technology to essentially take those loyalty points and use them in other areas and other industries, okay? This is something that is groundbreaking. This is something that's pioneering in terms of an industry. And it says here, with Voi, travelers can aggregate points, stake LSTs, and other yield-bearing assets, redeem and trade rewards with flexibility, control, and unparalleled value. So these guys are obviously on the ball here. They have a fantastic website. What I will say is the fact that you can just stake your reward points that you've got from various flights across the globe, right? This is something that is groundbreaking. This is something I've never ever seen before. I think this project is going to do incredibly well, and it's something you should definitely check out, particularly if you do have your own rewards points. Maybe you got 10 or $100 in rewards points. You're just not using them. You're not going to be traveling for a while. You could then use this platform to stake them and earn from that potential value. So if you sign up to the wait list, you're going to be greeted with a screen like this after you've logged in, of course. And it's very easy to do so, guys. You just do it with your Google and you're good, okay? Very, very easy. And this is the screen you're going to be greeted with. So what you're going to do here, guys, is connect your various airlines with rewards points that you've got. Okay, so once you've connected those are going to appear in dollar value here on this dashboard. And with this, you're actually going to be able to spend it on their platform travel website here that you guys can use. As you can see, if we were looking for hotels in Florida, you could actually select a room and get a discount and actually use those points that you've aggregated from various other places, okay? So this is actually something that's going to be universal. You're going to have your various travel points and reward points from different areas of the world, different flights, different buses, different hotel platforms, okay? Anywhere that you have actually traveled and gone on a holiday or vacation, right? You can then use those points you've earned to not only stake, as you can see here, but you can then spend those on future trips and future holidays. So this is something that I find really, really cool. Definitely check them out. Very, very corporate. A lot of massive, massive partners already, okay? And something like this, airlines typically don't want you having points. They would rather you actually spend them because of tax reasons and other things like this. But yeah, fantastic stuff from these guys. And the last feature here that I want to talk to you guys about is actually if you were to purchase a room here, you can actually do this with crypto, right? So this is actually a rare thing. You don't see this a lot in the travel industry. Okay, so the fact that they are allowing you to purchase a hotel for a weekend with crypto is something that isn't actually used that much. And I imagine a lot of you guys that do go to all these conferences and all of these areas of the world where there are summits around crypto and blockchain and Web3, then using something like this is definitely advantageous. You could book your flights or you could book your hotels with USDT straight from your crypto wallet. So again, fantastic stuff from these guys. In summary here, guys, Voi is a groundbreaking, pioneering platform, okay? They are literally in early access right now, so you should definitely join the waitlist. These guys allow you to take your reward points, put it into DeFi and stake it, but also have their own platforms where you can spend and use those reward points where they have partnered with various hotels and airlines, okay? They also allow you to buy any of these services from these airlines and hotels with crypto. So really, really revolutionary project here, embracing Travelfi, solving a massive problem and tackling one of the biggest industries in the world. So definitely check this out in the description, guys. Head over and join the waitlist. It's very, very easy to do. And then get started, link up your airlines, and enjoy the benefits. And again, you are going to get $100 for free if you do this. So be sure to check this out in the description. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.